Go ahead in the chat box and give me a thumbs up. Krishna Nikam, as usual. Okay, let's. Krishna Nikam, please tell me what is our last topic?
सर
कृष्णा
आपण
निकम डिवाइन
युव्हीएलचा फॉर्म
युएलची केस झाली होती का?
हो
युएलची केस झाली होती. एक सेकंड. त्याचं हे बाकी होतं वाटतं ना, ड्रॉइंग बाकी होतं आय गेस. बरं ना, आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन्स केले होते आणि ड्रॉइंग बाकी होते. एसएफडी आणि बीएमडी बाकी होते फक्त ना. ठीक. ओके. तुम्हाला ते ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी सांगितलं होतं, प्रयत्न केले होते का डायग्राम ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी? या पद्धतीचे काही डायग्राम येते का? डायग्राम काढण्याचा प्रयत्न केला होता का? पटापट बोला, म्हणजे मला पुढचं सेशन घ्यायला, पुढे जायला. आपलं लेक्चर होत नाही. अरे कोणीतरी काहीतरी बोला. जगताप, शिंदे, सोनू, धनंजय खेरनार, दिव्या तुम्ही बोला. साहिल डांगे आप भी बोलो. हॅलो. अरे येस किंवा नाही, हो किंवा नाही, काहीतरी बोला. एम आय ऑडिबल? माझा आवाज येतोय तुम्हाला? एम आय ऑडिबल? एम आय ऑडिबल? एम आय ऑडिबल? शीतल जगताप प्लीज अनम्यूट हो पूरा. साहिल डांगी जरा अनम्यूट हो जाओ आप. साहिल डांगे अनम्यूट हो जाओ. शीतल जगताप काहीतरी बोला. हेलो साहिल. साहिल बोल रहा है. हेलो. हेलो. अरे साहिल डांगे सर माईक करून ठीक आहे. दिव्या किंवा जगताप दोघांपैकी एक कोणी?
येस सर.
हां. तुम्ही ते काढण्याचा प्रयत्न केला का? तुम्ही नव्हता माझ्या मते लास्ट लेक्चरला ना?
हो सर.
तुम्हाला कसं विचारणार? हरकत नाही. दिव्या कुठे? दिव्या आहिरे आहे का? दिव्या आहिरे तुम्ही आहात का? ठीक, हरकत नाही. आय होप the calculation is clear to everybody and you have drawn this diagram. Now I am moving towards the next type of the numerical, which is now the combination of this. This is the new type of numerical, which is the combination of combined unit. Last type. This is the diagram. and I'm going to this is the loading diagram, and in that loading diagram, let us check what are the different loads we have with us, and from that we'll be going to draw free body diagram, and then we'll move for the calculations. So this is the last case. The last case is type 5, which is nothing but the beam subjected to combined loading. Beam subjected to combined loading. The combined loading means it consists of point load, it may consist of UDL, it may consist of UVL, and the combination of all this. So here it is the case. Can anybody tell me what are the different forces acting on that beam? Can anybody tell me what are the different forces acting on that beam? Forces and what are the different forces and what are the movement if it is acting on the beam? Please try to tell me. Let me check. The, from that I come to know whether my screen is visible to you or not. My screen is properly visible to you or not. Let me check. Please tell me. Anjali Santa, Shital Jagtap, Sonu Sunsar, Lokesh, Nilesh, Pansare, Rishikesh, Sahil Saurabh. The diagram is there in front of you. I'm just expecting what are the different forces and movement are acting on that beam. Please unmute and tell me. Anyone? You can type in the chat box also. Please tell me. Tell me. Sahil is saying, sir, UDL is there, UBL is there, point load is there. Sahil, one more force, one more quantity is there which is missing. Try to find out. One more quantity is there. दिव्या तुम्ही आहात का इथे? Tell me. External movement. Only Sahil Tang is active. Huh? What about others? Let me talk to one by one. Huh? I want very active sessions. Abhijit, I hear Abhijit. Those who
Yes,
will not
sir.
interacting with me, I will mark them absent today. Huh? I want very active participation in the lectures. अभिजित आहे कुठले कुठले लोड्स आहेत तिथे
Yes, sir.
कुठले कुठले लोड्स आहेत काय काय होतं त्या बीम वरती त्या डायग्राम वरती सांग बरं मला
UDL load, UVE load,
हा आणि
point load आणि external movement
हा
load.
बरं युडीएल ची इंटेन्सिटी किती ते सांग युडीएल ची इंटेन्सिटी किती आहे ते सांग what is the intensity of UDL you can see my screen na
Yes, sir.
then tell me what is the intensity of UDL okay second question goes to Jagtap Chital what is the intensity of UDL what is the intensity of UDL I can ask randomly yeah? Shital Jagtap what is the intensity of UDL Shital Jagtap what is the intensity of point load what is the intensity, what is the magnitude of point load? शीतल जगताप, शीतल जगताप, अनम्यूट हुआ एक मिनिट.
यस सर.
काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? समजत नाहीये? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? समजत नाहीये का? मी फक्त डायग्राम वरती काय दिसतं ते विचारलं. देन सोनू संसारे, सोनू संसारे, जर तुम्ही इंटरॅक्ट नाही केलं तर मी तुम्हाला इथून तुमच्या अटेंडन्स आजची मार्क करणे, एल्स आय विल बी रिमूव्ह यू फ्रॉम मीटिंग. आय वॉन्ट आन्सर्स. आणि हे काही खूप टिपिकल क्वेश्चन विचारतो अशातला अजिबात प्रकार नाही. तो मी मार्क करतो, कोण कोण इंटरॅक्ट करत नाही ना त्यांच्यावर मार्क करून घेतो. म्हणजे सोनू संसारे, सोनू संसारे, देन अंजली संत.
येस सर.
मला सांगा पॉइंट लोडची इंटेन्सिटी किती आहे? मॅग्निट्यूड काय पॉइंट लोडची? पॉइंट लोड कुठे ऍक्ट होतो? ए वरती ऍक्ट होतो, बी वरती ऍक्ट होतो, सी वरती ऍक्ट होतो, डी वरती ऍक्ट होतो, कुठे ऍक्ट होतो पॉइंट लोड? नाही. यूडीएलची इंटेन्सिटी किती आहे? मोमेंटची मॅग्निट्यूड किती आहे? व्हेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग. धनंजय खैरनार, धनंजय खैरनार. नो रिप्लाय मीन्स दे आर जस्ट हियर फॉर अ नेम. I will definitely mark them absent. Divya Ahire. Divya Ahire.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what is the intensity of UDL?
So 30 Newton meter.
Per Newton meter, 30 Newton per meter.
30 Newton per meter.
व्हेरी गुड, नाईस आन्सर. तिथे दिलेलं आहे ना तरी तुम्हाला बाकीच्यांना बोलता येत नाहीये. ठीक आहे. कृष्णा निकम.
Yes, sir.
What is the intensity of point load? What is the intensity of point load? Krishna Nikam.
200
Point.
Newton.
परफेक्टली करेक्ट. एवढे सोपे प्रश्न विचारतो मी. लोकेश पुराणिक, तुमचं पहिलं लेक्चर वाटतं आज ना लोकेश? लोकेश पुराणिक, माझे बरोबर बोलला नाहीत ना याचा तुमचं लक्ष नाही. लोकेश पुराणिक. निलेश कुवर, निलेश कुवर.
येस सर.
हा, मला सांग युबीएल ची मॅक्सिमम इंटेन्सिटी किती आहे? युबीएल ची मॅक्सिमम इंटेन्सिटी किती आहे? 0 to
100 Newton. 100 Newton meter.
100 Newton meter. 100 Newton meter is the
Yes, sir.
UBL.
40 Newton.
40 Newton meter.
40 Newton.
40 Newton meter. Good. Then आता कोण बोललो माझ्याशी? निलेश कुवर ना? साहिल चावल. सौरभ.
Yes, sir.
What is the magnitude of moment acting on that beam? या बीम वरती मुवमेंट ऍक्ट होते का? आणि जर ती होत असेल तर त्याची मॅग्निट्यूड सांगायची फक्त. काय प्रश्न विचारला मी? हॅलो
हॅलो,
मी काय विचारलं? या बीम वरती कुठली मुवमेंट ऍक्ट होते का? जर ऍक्ट होत असेल तर त्या मुवमेंटची इंटेन्सिटी किती?
100.
व्हेरी गुड, नाईस. सर्व इथे दिलेलं आहे, तुम्हाला फक्त ते बोलायचं तरी तुम्ही एवढा वेळ घेता, ते दॅट इज नॉट गुड. दिस इज बॅड साईन. मी काही तर फक्त नावाला ऍडमिट झालेत, त्या गोष्टीला काही अर्थ नाहीये. तुम्हाला जर अटेंडन्ससाठीच जॉईन व्हायचं असेल लेक्चर तर टेल मी तुमचे इथून पुढचे सर्व अटेंडन्स लावेल, मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तुम्ही स्वतःचं नुकसान करून घेता ते. ओके, पहिली स्टेप रिॲक्शन कॅल्क्युलेशन. कोण मदत करेल? सौरभ देवरे, तुम्ही सांगू शकता का? मी मदत करतो थोडीशी. पहिले आपल्याकडे हे जे आहे, या लोडिंग डायग्रामवरून मी फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम तयार करतो. फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम तयार झाली ही अशी, ही फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला सांगा याचे रिॲक्शन कॅल्क्युलेशन कसं येणार? कोणी सांगू शकता? मी मदत करतो थोडीशी. आर ए प्लस आर बी, आर ए प्लस आर बी मायनस बोला. बोला. हाँ 30
into 3.
very good. 30 into 3, very good. Then minus tell me. इथून इथे काय आहे? फक्त UDL आहे. आता काय आहे? पॉइंट लोड आहे ना. बोला काय येणार? तुम्ही जोपर्यंत बोलत नाही तोपर्यंत मी काही लिहिणारच नाही. आजचं लेक्चर असं गेलं तरी चालेल, मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. पुढे काय? बोला बोला पटकन. चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये कोणी काय टाकलंय का? ओके, व्हेरी गुड. साईड बोला पटकन. काय येईल? जोपर्यंत तुम्ही उत्तर देणार नाही मी पुढे जाणार. मायनस दिव्या आहिरे
200
परफेक्ट. देन बरोबर बोलता तुम्ही. मुवमेंट घ्यायची का? मुवमेंट घ्यायची? यस और नो? साहिल डांग की मूवमेंट लेनी है, यस और नो? अगर आपका माइक का इशू है तो मुझे चैट बॉक्स में डालो आंसर. 200 into 3. ए बाबा 200 into 3 का है नीलेश? 200 into 3 का? 200 into 3, this is a movement. Force into distance is the movement. That is only point load, and we are focusing on the summation of Fy calculation. In that case, we have to consider all the forces going in the y direction only. Right now, 200 is only a force. If you do it 200 into 3, that will be a movement. So we have to focus on force calculation only. Okay. Tell me next whether I have to consider this 100 Newton meter or not. Whether I have to consider that 100 Newton meter or not. Tell me. Divya?
Yes, sir. 200 into 100 into 2.
Tell me equation, please. Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Plus, बोलो.
100 into 2 plus 3.
100 into 2. 100 into 2 plus 3, na?
Yes.
Now, everybody is agree with this? If we are, this is a moment. First thing is this is the moment. 100 Newton meter. It is already a moment. And right now we are focusing on the summation of Fy. We need a force calculation. When there is a force calculation, there is no role of moment. Okay. And second thing is you have done over here 100 into 2 plus 3 means you are considering 100 into this distance. So already this is a moment, and again you are multiplying this distance. So it is a force calculation. So first thing is whenever there is a force calculation, we have to neglect all the moment. We have to neglect all the moments. So my next question is whether in that calculation I have to consider that 100 Newton meter moment or not. This is a summation of Fy. I am focusing on moment calculation. Shital, can I consider 100 Newton meter over here or not? I have already given you the answer. Reaction calculation check नाही तुम्हाला? बोला. Shital Jagtap, I am waiting for your reply. Else anybody you can put it into chat box. Huh? Nilesh, Sahil, Kalpesh, Devre, Nilesh Kuwar, Sahil. No reply. मग फक्त मी बोलत राहू आणि तुम्ही ऐकत राहणार असं करायचंय का? So we have to neglect this 100. Somebody else put something over here. No moment. No moment. We are not going to consider the moment because this is a force calculation. So this is 200, and then we have to consider this UVL. So for UVL, half into length is 3 into width is 40. This is the intensity. Okay. Then finish is equals to 0. We are A plus RB minus 30 into 3 minus 200 minus half into 3 into 40 is equals to 0. So tell me RA plus RB is equals to how much? So it is nothing but 30 into 3, it is 90. 30 into 3, it is minus 90, then minus 200, minus it should be minus as it is going downward. So minus half means 20 into 30, 20 into 3, 60. So it is minus 350. So it is 50. Everybody has to do the calculation now. Check whether the answers are right or wrong. Then the next step is to calculate moment. So I'm calculating. Everybody has to do this calculation and tell me the answer. No? Then summation of moment at A, it is always equals to 0. So now tell me. Divya, can you try? 0 is equals to 30 into 30 into 3, and it acts as the distance of half. So 3 by 2. The first equation. Second is clockwise 2. So it is plus. It is 200 into 3. Then 100 is clockwise. Directly we are calculating. We are putting 100. Then plus plus half into length is 3 into width is 40. Now it acts as a distance of 2L by 3 L by 3. From 0 it is act as a 2/3 of L. So 2/3 of L means 2/3 of length is 3. Two-third of length into two-third of length, not into two-third of length plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Try to understand this equation. This is very important equation. 30 into 3 into 3 by 2. 30 into 3 into 3 by 2. Perfect. 200 into 3. Perfect. Plus 100 is a clockwise, so as it is. Now here it is. Intensity is half into length into width. So half into length into width. It is the intensity. Then into the intensity of that you will act as a 2/3 of left hand side. So from here it is 2/3. So 3 plus 2 plus 2/3 of L. 2/3 of L plus 3 plus 2. We have to make a calculation of this. And then minus R E into 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, 8 and 10 RB. So from that you have to tell me the answer, what is the value of RB. If you understood this equation, this is very important. Everybody has to focus on this. If you know the answer, please tell me the value of RB. So here it is like 30 into 3 means 30 into 3 it is 90 into 1.5. 90 into 1.5. So it is 135 plus 200 into 3 it is 600 plus 100 plus 20 into 3 60, and so here it is 60 into 2/3 of L means 3 get cancelled into 2 plus 2 plus 3 4 7. So again it is equals to RB is equals to 135 plus 600 plus 100 plus 736 420 11255. Here it is 10 RB. It is 10 RB. So divided by 10 is equals to 125.5. Please make a calculation whether our answers are right or wrong. Let me check the answers. So it is 224 and RA. See, 125.50. So the answers are matching. This is my answer of RB. You have to calculate. Then tell me RA is equals to. So RA become 350 minus 125.5. It is equals to. So minus 350, it will be equals to 224.5 Newton. Please do the calculations and tell me whether the answers are right or wrong. Everybody has to tell me the answers. Any doubt query in that equation? Very important. This is new variety. This is the combination. Abhijit Ahir,
Yes, sir.
काय doubt?
No, sir.
Shital Jagtap clear?
Yes, sir.
Sonu Samsare, he is not there.
Yes, sir. Clear.
कुठे होता प्रश्न विचारले तेव्हा मी आधी?
सर होतो.
कुठे होता?
लेक्चर मध्येच होतो सर.
नाही का मी तुला विचारला काय उत्तर देत नव्हता. जेव्हा मी काही बोलतो ना तर मला तिकडे रिप्लाय आलाच पाहिजे. मी चुकीचं बोला पण बोला. ठीक आहे?
यस सर.
अंजली संत,
Yes, sir.
तुमचं पण नाव टाकलं का मी इथं?
No, sir.
क्लिअर आहे इक्वेशन?
Yes, sir.
दिव्या आहिरे,
Yes, sir.
इक्वेशन क्लिअर आहे?
Yes, sir.
आन्सर मॅच होतात, कॅल्क्युलेशन करताय तुम्ही?
Yes, sir.
Good. गोलब,
Yes, sir.
इक्वेशन समजतायत का काय करतोय मी?
Oh, sir.
कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करा आणि आन्सर मॅच करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. येतात की बघा. कृष्ण निकम,
क्लिअर आहे सर.
कुठे होता तू? तुला आधी काहीतरी विचारलं, गायब होता तू. नाही, तू बोलला
नाही
होता.
होतो सर.
होता. कोण? धनंजय ना? धनंजय खेळणार. कृष्ण समजतंय सगळं?
हो सर.
लोकेश पुराणिक, तू तर नाहीच अजून. निलेश कुवर,
यस सर.
समजतं बेटा?
यस सर.
इक्वेशन्स क्लिअर आहेत? तुम्हाला छोट्यातल्या छोटे इश्यू असतील तर आता क्लिअर करा, कारण आपण हे टॉपिक आपल्याला युनिट नंबर 3 ला पण लागणार आहेत. तिथे मी काय परत तुम्हाला शिकवणार नाही. रिएक्शन कशी काढतात, काय करणार आहे, कसं करणार आहे. क्लिअर आहे निलेश? निलेश क्लिअर आहे? ओके. ऋषिकेश आहे?
यस सर. सॉल्व करते सर.
ओके गुड. साहिल, अगर आपका माइक खराब है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर सकते हैं. साहिल क्लियर है? ओके. सौरभ
Clear,
clear
sir.
है? Okay, good. Now this is a very important step that we have already done, and you just try to calculate whether your answers are matching or not. Okay. Then the step number next is what we have to do. We have to calculate reaction calculation. SF calculation. So this is the diagram. This is the loading diagram. There is a calculation table for you, SF calculation, and I'm just withdrawing answers from the last desired required. One will be that for you. SF calculation. Again, SF left of A, SF right of A. A, C, D, A, C, D, E, and B. E, C, D, B, E, 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 and B, B. Okay, so is there anyone who's helped me out with this calculation, SF calculation? I'm going to tell you first answer and I'm going to tell you the last answer. Everyone, I can tell you the answer at the left, which is 125.5. Minus 125, 1 to 25. This is the answer. I have already given you the answer of this. So tell me, Shear force at right of it. Tell me. Shear force at right. Divya here. Divya.
Yes, sir.
Shear force at right of it.
RA value.
Tell me. Tell me. You are right. You are absolutely right. Tell me.
2 to 4.5 Newton.
224 RA. Perfectly correct. So it is RA, which is equals to 224.5 Newton. Perfectly correct. Stay there. Huh? C at C. 224.5 minus. Tell me. Divya. Anybody else? You can talk in between, no? Because I unable to see the recording screen. Tell me. Anybody can talk me in between. Sheetal Jagtap. डांगी डांगी का माइक खराब है डांगी बोलो क्या आएगा टू वेरी गुड अभिजीत शीतल वेरी गुड better way you just na unmute and then talk me because na I have to come over here I have to check this chat box and then I have to work on this hold a second unmute and tell me yeah tell me अरे कुणी काहीतरी बोला SF left of A left of C hello left of C means there is only a UDL na so it is 13 to 3 that's it whatever the value is kind of whatever 16 or 90 224.5 minus 90 so it is 134.5 Newton and here C right so it is RA it is 2 I'm just copying this in this so this is as usual we have to copy this equation C right that is minus 200 it is nothing but minus 200 means 134 minus 200 it is minus 65.5 Newton then left of D as usual the equation will be remains same equation remains same then right of D left of D is same then right of P over here I will put this equation and right of D minus half into length is 3 into 40 half into 3 into 40 whatever the answer is I don't know the answer then left of D left of right of D no right of D is left of D is Left of D is done. Left of D is same. Right of D is also. Left of D is same. Right of D is also same because there is no force. In the moments we are neglecting the moment. Right of D is same. Then left of E. Left of E. Left of E is this. Left of E is this. Right of E is also this. And then left of B is also same. And here it should be 125. The same is means it should be is equals to minus 125.5. It also equals to minus 125.5 Newton. Newton. You can check and you can tell me the answers. Please check the values and tell me whether the answers are right or wrong. If anybody is having any doubt, please ask me. If anybody is having any doubt, query, you may can ask at any instance. काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे कुणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर प्लीज डिस्कस करा. आहे कुणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम? कृष्णा, लोकेश, ऋषिकेश, साहिल, दिव्या, अंजली, सोनू संसारे, अभिजित. No doubt, no query. Okay. So it is 10:27. There is another lecture for you at 10:40 ना. कुणाला काय विचारायचंय का? कुठे गेली ती? काय दिव्या. दिव्या आई रे, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, sir.
कॅल्क्युलेशन जमतात हे समजतंय काय बोलतोय ते?
हो sir.
ओके गुड. मुवमेंट कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करू शकतात तुम्ही? हो की नाही?
नाही sir.
नाही जमणार. ठीक. लक्ष द्या. मुवमेंट कॅल्क्युलेशन लगेच करतो फास्ट. 0 मिनिटात समजू. This is now BM calculation. BM calculation. Moment at A is equals to how much? Moment at B is equals to how much? Everybody tell me. Moment at A is equals to, moment at B is equals to.
0.
Very good. का जमत नाही बघ बरं, तू तर उत्तर दिलं जमत नाही म्हणते. Moment at C. बोल moment at C बोल. दिव्या फास्ट. 30 into 30 into
30 into 3.
Into 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
बोला this is first, then 200 ला consider नहीं करेंगे, then movement at C it is done. Movement at D it is equals to 30 into T into 3 by 2 plus 2. Okay, then minus 200 into 2. Moment at C झाला, moment at D झाला, moment at E is equals to rest 30 into 3 into 3 by 2 plus 2 plus 3. 200 into 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 200 into 2 plus 3. Then now it is minus as it is trivial. So again it is intensity is half into it is 3 length into height is 3 into 40 into the distance is L by 3. So L is 3 by 3. Finish. And it is the answer. Up to this, there is no doubt, I think. You will be having doubt for this only. Maybe, yeah, it is my consideration. Somebody has pinged me something. Moment at C, 90 into 3 by 2. 90 into 3 by 2. Moment at C. Okay. This is the equation. This is very simple. You have to consider only force and distance. So it is a half into length into width. It is a intensity. Half into force into length into width into L by 3. So L by 3 means 3 by 3 is the distance. So it is 3 by 3. These are the answers. You have to calculate the answers by your own, and I have already told you the way to draw the diagrams. Here it is a structure for the diagram. This numericals you have to solve in the assignment. You have to draw. I have already given you the calculations for SF and BM. So the target for you is to draw SF and bending moment diagram only. Okay. So it's 10:32. There will be somebody waiting for you for the next lecture. If anybody is having any doubt, please ask me. As if you have filled the attendance, you can do the lectures. Thank you so much. Sir, value RA in BM calculation. Sir, value of RA. RA का वैल्यू दिया ना यहाँ पे. RA दिया है ना 224.5. कहाँ पे? हाँ. Very good. Side he has raised very good issue. There is term I missed. I have directly started with the UDL. I have not focused on the RA. So here it is. You have to RA into 3. This is RA into 3. Then minus of 30 into this. Very good side. Huh? RA into 3. Then minus 30 into this. Very good side. Then again movement at D. Copy. RA into 5. Okay, then minus of 30 into 3 and so on. Then again over here, copy RA into it is E. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 8. RA into 8 minus of this, minus of this and minus of this. Okay, very good, Sahil. Sahil, he is very active. सॉरी आपको स्क्रीन मैंने डिसेबल कर दिया था. आप ही हो कि जिसका माइक नहीं चल रहा है फिर भी आप बोलने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो और बाकी सबका माइक चल रहा है फिर भी कोई नहीं बोल पा रहा है. Okay, so I have missed this array. Everybody has to focus on this. These are the simple things you have to focus. Array, the term of array I missed, but Sahil he has told me that this is the missing. So this is the equation. Everybody has to focus on that. That go ahead for the calculation and mention. You can cross verify your answer with this. So as per this, that should be 538 point something. 538 point something. 5 Newton meter. And here it is moment at D. So 507.5 Newton meter. And moment at E it is 251.1 Newton meter. File language is very active. These are the answers. These are the probable answers. You have to calculate and you have to check the answers. This is the numerical for your assignment. You have to do that in your assignment. Anybody else? Sahil, very good. Anybody else? Okay. Today I am going to stop over here. Thank you so much.